So Reesink Law started in 2007 as a sole practitioner. I still am a sole practitioner, but I should say that I've put, I think, 5 articling students through the office, and they've all, blossomed into different kinds of lawyers. So the reason why I opened my own law office is because I wanted to provide access to justice for ordinary people. And Supreme Court of Canada Judge McLaughlin said this many, many years ago, that we have to make sure lawyers provide access to justice. So that's always been central in my mind, to make sure that ordinary people, regardless of their income, regardless of their social status, can walk in from the street and get access to justice. The most important part of my business is keeping you out of jail. So whether you're already in jail, my job is to get you out. When you're out of jail and you have your trial, my job is to make sure you don't go to jail as a result of what you did. And there are many ways to do this, but the most important one is for you to be found not guilty. And so this is my 19th year in business, practicing law. So it's both a business and a profession, which we can talk about for many hours, but I'm not going to bore you with that. The point is, I love what I do. And I'll tell you honestly, there's nothing like getting a hug from mom when her son is out of custody. These are the highlights, when after a trial, someone is found not guilty, and client shakes your hand and thanks you. It's because the defense lawyer has managed to destroy the evidence that the police and the Crown has put together. And there's no feeling like that, not only for myself, but more importantly for the client. And this happens to me every single week that I'm in this office. We help people face the big man, which is the government. And thanks to my colleagues, Edna and Sheena and Naya and all the other students who came before, I'm able to push back on sometimes absurd charges, things that should never come about. Also push back on racism, which the Supreme Court of Canada has told us is systemic. It's a cardinal problem in Canadian society. And as a white guy, I don't really know what that's about, but I have to keep educating myself, and I do that. So these are some of the issues, big item issues, that I'm able to struggle with every single day in this office. And because it's a good fight, I love to fight it. Thank you.